Hey. We got a dance? Oh wow. He's got a good dance. Wow.
We wish you. We wish you Merry Christmas. Maying
Wow.
Pasko.
Okay. 10 pesos.
Me too.
You too? You too? You for
Thank
both?
you.
Then
Thank
for you,
you,
my friend.
Thank you. Sa'yo, Dapon. Thank you. Thank you.
What's up, guys? We're on our way to the public market to try and get some dynamite.
Yeah. And lumpia?
And lumpia, giant lumpia. I got this in the last video, but she's gonna try it now. She says she likes my bald head.
I love it.
So we're gonna go take the bus and we'll see you there hopefully in a little bit. Bye, guys. All right, guys, we made it to the public market. I don't know if you can hear me over the little noise. Mary.
Daghang kang roosters dere. And also like bed frames, right?
Mm-hmm. There's a bunch of barbecue places over there. About to go over, maybe try some.
Let's go.
Not right now. I want that dynamite,
Oh.
but it's the other direction.
Oh. All right.
But you said you wanted to walk around, so we're gonna walk around first.
Let's just walk around first and check some of the food.
Yeah, it's very big.
My sister
Do what?
too likes to go to the market, but in Carbon, because here it's very far.
True. But if you go to Carbon, you can take the ferry over here for 30 pesos.
I know. I thought you mentioned to me.
Oh, they have chilies. They have sili.
You love chili.
I do. Are you looking for anything in particular? I think there's a whole row here that's just shoes. Actually, I think this used to be just shoes.
Ah.
But
Is there yet?
I don't know if they moved it. It might be one road over.
Ah. You can see right over there. We're gonna walk by through it, right?
Fruit?
No, we're gonna walk right through it.
We
With
can.
the shoes. We can get right through it.
We can try. Like, I think through there.
I don't know if you want to dinner.
There's some shoes. What kind are you looking for?
I love the black shoes.
No? It's so short in here, I can't walk.
You're just too tall.
I guess so.
These shoes are like for, you know, like for sales ladies
Oh.
or sales guys or for school.
I think they're making peanut butter.
Pila sa nite?
Naman gang. Exercise sinta na ka.
60.
60? How much for the big?
Kanite?
110.
110? 110.
Okay. Should we get one?
Are you tempted to get one? Maybe the big one.
Narising ko ka.
Kanina isa. Isa lang tayo. Eh? You're gonna eat peanut butter daw?
Yeah. I love it.
Lami.
Lami kaayo.
Lami ka ayo. Mo nag-practice na.
Eh?
Saya.
Goodbye.
160.
Gamay te, gamay.
Oh, mag-practice ka.
I'm practicing. She doesn't teach. She's a very bad teacher.
Sure na. Sure.
I'm gonna be your teacher daw.
Now, do they make this with the spicy?
Ah, gahin mo pa daw mo ginanit nga. Halang ang ko in favor of. Wala no, regular ano. Just the regular one, sir.
Okay. That's okay.
Say hi sa among vlog, te.
Kaya sa din, sa kutan day.
You're a good, nice guy.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
can tell.
Ay, sa mong blood cream. Oh. Thank you, Tay.
Okay, yeah.
410, it's big.
Yeah, $2. It's
Yeah.
not bad.
Pila imong kuan? Pangayo?
100 ang pares.
200 ang Paris. Apil ang soul?
Sol, wala akong material sa sol.
Ah.
Mora ni siya.
You can only like, you know, like stitch
I
it.
can go to stitch this
But he doesn't have the materials for the sole.
rubber sole. I
Ah.
don't have a rubber sole material.
Okay.
Wow. Sayang. It names as Dodong Repair Shop.
Is it because it's too big? Is it?
Dako na ba kuno dong mo nang wala kay kuan
Or
materialis?
he just doesn't carry?
Wala ko kumpra.
Ah, yeah, he doesn't have
do
any.
Okay.
No, he doesn't even have the materials right now.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Dong. So it's really like Dodong. Dodong. So I call him Dodong. Ah, shout out to Dodong Repair Shoes. Ah.
All right, let's go get some.
Thank you, Dong.
So we're looking for the Dynamite Lumpia now.
Are you excited to get it?
Yes. I've looked for this place like 5 times now. If we don't find it this time, I'm just gonna complain because I'm being mad.
Where is that Dynamite place?
It looks good online. That barbecue smells pretty good too. Barbecue. It's like a little carinderia over there. I think it's by this Don Macchiato, if I'm being honest.
Maybe it's just like a small stall.
Yeah. But you can see there's like lots of little side streets and stuff here. Just walking.
All of the tricycle drivers are.
Oh, look at this puppy.
Hi.
Don Macchiatos.
Dynamite here. we come.
Pancakes. They got pancakes.
Yeah. Water.
There it is. There's the lumpia or dynamite.
Oh, it's a small stall.
Very small. That's okay. Hi, good morning.
Sige, titi ka ha.
How are you, sir?
Hi, I'm good. How are you? What's the best seller?
The best seller, sir, is pork, shrimp, cheese, and giant.
Okay, giant
All
sounds
of it?
good.
This
Oh, okay.
All of it.
All of
She
it.
mentioned all of it.
All right, we'll do. Do you want a giant one or do you want to share? All
Let's
right.
do the giant one then. Maybe just one first.
Yeah, we'll do one giant and then one pork, chicken and shrimp, one piece each.
We should try all of the things that they mentioned.
You want also shrimp, sir? That's
Yes.
very delicious.
One giant and then one shrimp, pork, and chicken.
One giant, one shrimp, pork, and chicken.
Yes, ma'am.
One of each. Except for the cheese, right? I think they should mention the cheese
Yeah, I don't
also.
want the cheese. It looks good. Can you get a picture of the?
They even have like a small sound system in here.
Oh yeah.
Patukar sa kabuntagon o kahaponon. Until what time mo dari?
Kanang 7 a.m. Mag-opening ni ma'am from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Ah. So it's not like late at night.
That's okay. The roof is so short.
I know. You almost hit your
I already
head.
hit my head.
You almost hit your head like your bald head. You look like a king right now. They're preparing preparing the the area for us to eat.
The area Sorry, so very small, sir.
That's okay.
We are three tenderas in the store.
3 tenderas in this.
We are the Powerpuff Girls.
Powerpuff Girls.
I saw your pictures on Facebook. They're food looks very good. Very yummy.
Yes, sir. Also, totong ako. Okay, it's mom.
Hi, Samo ang vlog.
Hi.
The 3 Powerpuff Girls. One is busy like cutting.
Yeah, we see.
Like a small area, right? Yeah.
And then the lumpia place, I think, is up there.
Another lumpia place?
The other one I went to is Sinyang.
Ah.
East Sinyang.
It's a nice street.
Yeah, lots going on. And it's off like the main strip.
Uh-huh.
But it's still busy. And there's the learning center right there.
Ah.
We found on Google when we were looking for the place.
Oh, there's another shop. Is that the shop that you...
That's the one I went to. That was the shoe shop. They were like so expensive. So mahal.
So mahal.
They were 2,000 to repair the shoe. And the other guy wanted 200.
2,000 compared to 200. So
Yeah.
Dodong's repair shop.
Dodong.
I think if he has the materials,
He would do it.
yeah, he would do it. But he haven't like bought all the materials for the sole.
And no one carries my giant shoe size, so I understand.
He might be like, changing the sole, but like piece by piece,
It's like 4 different colors. Yeah.
and he will cover it up.
Okay.
They're now cooking.
All right. Here's the food, guys. This is the giant one, shrimp. I don't know which is the beef and chicken, but then,
I think this is the shrimp.
okay.
Yeah.
And we've got the owner here. Came by to say hello. Thank you. Hi. What's your name?
Pearl.
Pearl. Okay. Nice.
Madam Pearl. We should call her Madam Pearl.
Madam Pearl. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So if you're here in Lapu-Lapu, come to Landang's Dynamite.
Sir, you want hot sauce?
Yes, hot sauce. Oh yeah, please.
They
Thank you.
offer all the sauce to you.
Okay,
Vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay.
The sweet
Here,
one.
put it between us.
Ooh, look at that. Giant. Compare sa mga regular. Oh. Giant.
Yeah.
Compare sa regular.
Ma'am,
Diba?
I just
Bye, madam.
Okay, thank
Madam
you.
Pearl,
It's very good to meet you.
goodbye.
Absolutely. Yes, ma'am. Nice to meet you too.
Ah, he's going back to her house, I think.
I don't know if these gloves will fit, but we're gonna try.
Those are the regular gloves.
Nope.
You just have
I just have the fingers. That's fine.
you just have big hands, babe.
Oh, it's so hot. Oh my god.
Yeah, those are dynamite.
Yeah. So it's too hot to eat. We're gonna wait a second and we'll get back. Bye. See if I can put a glove on.
Eh,
Okay, it's on the fingers. All right. Let's try the giant
giant one.
one. A little bit of vinegar. Wow, it's really good. It's like a cheese stuffed pepper. It's like a jalapeno pepper. Is there meat inside?
Na may meat nilangga in yung giant?
Yes, sir.
Let's try with the other sauce. Wow, it's really good. Do you want to try?
What's more delicious? This is spicy, right?
I think maybe this one.
This one? This one is the what?
I think it's sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour?
Hot.
Hot, but it's delicious, sir.
Yeah, it's really good, right?
Especially the pork.
Uh-huh.
good without
The puso.
puso.
I'm gonna try the shrimp. So we got there's the shrimp one. You can see the tail. I think the lighting this direction is not very good. Honestly, it tastes like a grilled cheese.
Really, the cheese, the shrimp?
I don't think I got to the shrimp yet.
Ah,
Maybe I'll bite this way. Yeah. You want to try
ready?
it?
I should try the other sauce then. Cheesy.
Very
Good
cheesy.
cheese.
Yeah, very cheesy. What kind of cheese do they use?
Ano sa cheese inyong gamit lang ga?
Big time or queso or queso?
Ah, queso. For big time.
Can you get my puso out, please? Salamat. Very good.
This is yummy too.
The hot sauce? I think I like the sweet and sour. Sweet and sour is like thin, but it's a little spicier.
True. Let's try this one. I know what this is. This is the pork or the chicken?
I guess we'll see.
I just got the cheese.
Yeah, I don't taste the meat very much. I think the giant one is the best.
Maybe that's why it's the best seller in here. But they mentioned all of it, their best seller.
I can't tell. We got one shrimp, one chicken, one pork,
Pork.
and then the giant. I think this is the pork.
I think
see a little
I just
piece.
ate the
The cheese. Nope.
someone was asking. Try the giant, babe. I'll just give her some 5 pesos. Balik yung notebook. Just gonna buy notebook from that though.
What note?
Notebook.
Notebook.
Yeah. I think she has like, you know, some kind of disease in her legs. Want to try the last one?
The chicken?
I think there's a lot of cheese in there.
A lot of cheese. It's good though. Yeah, this was chicken.
This one's chicken. You ate all of the cheese.
Let me
in
see
there?
inside. There's a little bit of chicken in here. Little chicken. Yeah. Yeah.
Shouldn't forget to dip
The puso.
the puso. Get it for you, sir. Because I love you.
Okay. I think we're gonna finish this and then maybe go get some other lumpia down the street. We'll see you soon. Bye.